This video will introduce you to 3 useful databases for psychological research: PsycARTICLES, the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection, and PsycINFO. By understanding the differences between the databases, you can conduct research more efficiently. Start by visiting the LSU Library's website. Hover over the Research tab at the top of the screen and click Databases. Using the All Subjects drop-down menu, select Psychology to see a list of subject-specific databases. Scroll down until you see the listings for PsycARTICLES, the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection, and PsycINFO. Click on the link for PsycARTICLES. After opening the PsycARTICLES database, there are search boxes at the top of the screen and a Search Options section with options for limiting search criteria. Because the 3 databases are EBSCO host databases, all of the databases will look and function similarly. However, different content is available in each database. PsycARTICLES is the smallest of the 3 databases, but it includes approximately 100 high-impact level journals from the APA. High-impact journals are influential and frequently cited. All of the resources in the database are full text. For example, type episodic memory into the search box and click Search. Note the number of search results provided. Check the box next to full text on the left sidebar. Because the database only offers full text articles, the number of search results stays the same. Next, click back to LSU Library's list of psychology databases. Click on the link for the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. Note that the database looks similar to PsycARTICLES. With articles from approximately 500 journals, the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection offers wider coverage than PsycARTICLES. Many of the articles in the database are full text. Conducting the same search for episodic memory yields more results in the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. Check the box next to full text. The number of search results decreases slightly, but most articles relating to episodic memory are full text. Let's click back once more to the list of psychology databases. Click on the link for PsycINFO. With over 1,300 journals, PsycINFO offers the widest coverage of the 3 databases, but articles in PsycINFO are less likely to be full text than articles in the other databases. Type episodic memory into the search box and click Search. In comparison to the previous databases, PsycINFO provides a larger number of results. Check the box next to linked full text. PsycINFO provides many full-text resources related to the topic, but the number of search results decreases more in PsycINFO after limiting the search. You can also search the databases simultaneously. Click the Choose Databases link above the search box and select APA PsycARTICLES and Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection from the list. Click OK at the bottom of the box. Your searches will now generate results from all 3 databases. To see a list of the selected databases, click Show All above the search box. To access a resource when full text is not available, use the Interlibrary Loan Services at LSU Libraries. Start by visiting the LSU Libraries website. Hover over the Services tab and select Interlibrary Loan and Delivery Services from the drop-down menu to reach lib.lsu.edu/services/ILL. Using the instructions on this page, you can obtain resources that are not owned by LSU Libraries.